Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will show you how to add your phone number on Facebook. And for this, make sure that you're logged into your account, and then from here tap right in the bottom on menu. Then tap on the wheel right in the top, and then from there tap on see more in account center. Then from here tap on personal details, and here you can find your personal details where it says contact info. I already filled in my phone number, but when you didn't do that, you can tap on that and then tap on add new contact. Then from here you can tap on add mobile number, and when you fill in your number just right here with the great country code number before your own phone number, it will says after that do next, and when you tap on next you just add your phone number to your Facebook account. Alright, this is how it works, and if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.